Paradime just launched a hands-on data modeling challenge for analytics engineers across the globe. And the challenge is simple. Utilize real, historical NBA datasets to craft SQL queries, develop DBT models, and derive insights. All for a chance to win a $1,500 Amazon gift card. And that's just for first place. Second and third place get $1,500 Amazon gift cards too. So how does the challenge work? As a participant, you'll gain access to all the following tools free of charge. Paradime for SQL and DBT development, Snowflake for compute and storage, preloaded with 7 historical NBA datasets, Sigma for visualizing the data behind your DBT models, and a GitHub repository, with several pre-configured models to get you started. From there, participants have until March 8th to work asynchronously on this project. And then 5 high-quality judges, well, 4 high-quality judges, will get together to decide the top 3 winners based on the following criteria. First, value of findings. Are the findings relevant to NBA fans and/or general managers? Second, complexity of findings. Are you creating relationships between datasets and providing in-depth analytical conclusions? And third, quality of materials. Is your code of professional quality? Are your data visualizations well designed? And are your insights clear to the reader? If you are proficient in SQL and DBT development, you likely only need to spend 5 hours for a chance to contend, but spend as much time as you want to win the big prizes. Now, what does a final project look like? Let me walk you through an example. And as a participant, feel free to copy this whole template. In this example, I used 3 of the 7 NBA datasets from Snowflake. Player game logs, which contains game-by-game statistics for NBA players. Team stats by season, which provides in-depth season-by-season statistics for NBA teams. And common player info, which offers non-statistical information about every NBA player throughout history. With the help of SQL and DBT development in Paradime, I generated the following insights. First, team playoff appearances. The Los Angeles Lakers have the most historical playoff appearances, and the San Antonio Spurs have the highest playoff appearance rate. They've only missed the playoffs 9 times. Second insight, top playoff scorers. Michael Jordan, LeBron James, and Kobe Bryant are the only players having 3 seasons within the top 25 most points scored by a player in a playoff season. And third, I found most NBA players by university or college. And the University of Kentucky has produced the most NBA players throughout history. And last but not least, player playoff games. LeBron James has the most playoff wins of any player ever. No surprise there. But here's what's interesting. Of the top 25 players with the most playoff wins, only 12 of them are members of the NBA's greatest 75 team, aka the top 75 greatest players ever. There are several players listed that impact playoff wins and complement their team's best players, but they aren't known as one of the all-time greats, like Derek Fisher and Robert Horry. So if you're interested in participating in this challenge and winning the $500, $1,000, or $1,500 Amazon gift cards, head over to our landing page to join now. And let the games begin!